the handrail and keep your hands close to your chest. Exit quickly through the gate on your left. Exit now.
Sights, the sounds, the smells of the New Mexico State Fair. Haven't been here in ages, but here we are. There's the ejection seat. The old Tingley Coliseum over there. And there's a horse racing track over there. This is kind of a vendor alley over here. Where's the dancers at? They left? Sandia Mountains up there. See the twinkling light of the tram up there. Tram house. There's a tram that runs all the way up 10,300 feet. We're headed over the top of the famous Asbury Cafe down there. You got world famous pies down there. Might have to stop on the way back and get me a slice or two. Turkey legs. Ooh. I don't know. I've already had a Frito pie and a corn dog. I think I'm just about done. Okay, why? 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 Why am I being subjected to this? Lots of Labubu dolls. It's big time.
Oh no.
They had a bushcraft survivalist booth in there. All a bunch of stuff, packs, knives, and safety packs, and first aid kits, all made overseas. I think the only thing they had made in the USA were some backpacks the guy said. They were alright. There's the booming metropolis of Albuquerque Northeast Heights. Bless you. Bless you. The fair lasts about 10 days a year now. It used to last, I would say 14 days, but 15 days. They really condensed it quite a bit. You had the dancers there earlier, breakdancing down there on that mat. Of course, they got the cannabis stand, Juicy Joints Cannabis. More Labubu dolls and junk.
Sorry.
They got a sneezer on their hands over there. Beautiful night sky, early evening. It's just not so early, it's 8 o'clock. Lots of families having fun. This is the red bar we were at earlier with all the FFA or FHA kids show off their livestock. It's closed now. Joanne had her Nutty Buddy, or she's got to have one every time it comes. Got to have a Nutty Buddy. Gator tacos, roasted and glazed chicken. Use that trailer mover there.
Thank you for riding. Please remove your hands from the handrail. Keep your hands close to your
Oh, we pay round trip.
quickly
What?
to the gate on your right exit now.